Actually, it was the case when the view in the window was as beautiful as final point of our destination. Of course, we didn't listen the excursions and guide, and we just did the photos of the mountains and the forest. And this road, guys, was built in 2020 and it's new, and it was the cultural shock for me. And after a few hours we reached our destination, the Cableway, near a village Межигір'я. Its very old settlement was found in 15th century in 1415 and now counts its population at 10,000 people. So the view were amazing and we do some photos on the top. I even tried to do stream, but the wind was so furious that damaged all the sound, even for microphone. So we did some photo and move forward. By the way, the ticket cost only $10, so guys, you are welcome to visit Ukraine after war and save some money on your trip. So thank you for watching and bye.